Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of India's most iconic cars, the Tata Nano. Known as the world's most affordable car, the Nano revolutionized personal transportation when it first launched. Now, it's back and ready to take on the electric era as the Tata Nano 2025. This all-new electric avatar combines compact design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable mobility, all at an unbeatable price. Reimagining an icon, bold new look. The Tata Nano 2025 retains the charm of the original but has been completely reimagined for the future. Tata Motors has managed to preserve the iconic shape while enhancing the car with sleek, aerodynamic contours and modern styling elements. Up front, the classic small grille has been replaced by a sealed fascia, giving the Nano 2025 the unmistakable look of an EV. Slim LED headlights sweep back along the fenders, providing a sharp, futuristic presence. A panoramic windshield and full-glass roof add to the contemporary design, while the compact size and upright stance make it perfect for congested urban areas. From new vibrant color options to contrasting roof designs, the Nano 2025 is as stylish as it is practical. Whether you choose the city-inspired metallic finishes or dual-tone paint schemes, this little car ensures you stand out on the road. Power and performance, electric efficiency for the city. Don't let the size fool you, the Nano 2025 is powered by a state-of-the-art 30 kWh battery pack that drives a compact but powerful electric motor. This setup provides a range of 220 to 250 km on a single charge, making it ideal for urban commuting, quick getaways, and everyday errands. With instant torque delivery, the Nano EV accelerates quickly, making it perfect for zipping through traffic and navigating tight spaces. Tata has tuned the suspension and steering to handle city conditions, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rough roads. The Nano 2025 supports fast charging, allowing drivers to reach 80% battery capacity in under 45 minutes. A standard home charging unit can fully recharge the vehicle overnight, making electric driving seamless and convenient. Interior, compact but packed with tech. Inside the Nano 2025, Tata has created an environment that feels surprisingly spacious and tech-forward. By maximizing every inch of interior space, the car can comfortably seat 4 adults. Thanks to the tall roofline and flat floor, headroom and legroom are generous, creating a cabin that feels far larger than you'd expect. At the heart of the dashboard sits a 9-inch floating touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system supports navigation, entertainment, and voice commands, keeping drivers connected and informed at all times. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time feedback on battery levels, speed, and energy usage. Additional interior highlights include wireless smartphone charging, premium fabric upholstery, ambient lighting, automatic climate control. Tata has ensured that while the Nano 2025 is budget-friendly, it feels premium inside and out. Safety first, a city car built to protect. Safety is at the core of the Nano 2025's design. Despite its compact size, the car comes equipped with an array of safety features that make it a leader in the small EV segment. Key safety features include dual airbags, anti-lock braking system (ABS) and electronic brake force distribution (EBD), rear-view camera and parking sensors, stability control, hill start assist. The Nano 2025 is built on Tata's new modular electric vehicle platform, offering enhanced chassis rigidity and crash protection. Affordability, bringing EVs to the masses. The original Nano was celebrated for making car ownership a reality for millions, and the Nano 2025 aims to do the same in the electric era. Tata Motors is targeting a starting price of Rs5 to 6 lakh, making it one of the most affordable EVs in the country. With government subsidies, reduced running costs, and the promise of lower maintenance, the Nano 2025 delivers exceptional value for money. For first-time car buyers, students, or families looking for a secondary vehicle, the Nano is an unbeatable option. Why the Nano 2025 is a game-changer. Sustainable and eco-friendly, zero tailpipe emissions make the Nano 2025 a green solution for urban mobility. Compact and practical, the small footprint makes parking and maneuvering effortless, perfect for city life. Low running costs. Say goodbye to high fuel prices. Electricity is cheaper and more efficient. Tech-savvy and comfortable. From smart connectivity to premium materials, this small car offers big features. Driving towards the future. The Tata Nano 2025 isn't just a car, it's a symbol of innovation, affordability, and forward-thinking design. Tata Motors is proving that sustainable mobility doesn't have to break the bank. With the Nano 2025, the brand continues to drive India, and the world, toward a cleaner, greener automotive future. Whether you're nostalgic about the original Nano or excited about the possibilities of its electric revival, this is a car you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting automotive content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share,